Our next topic is standards. Standard is nothing but it is a fundamental reference for a system of weights and measures against which all other measuring devices are compared. They are used for the purpose of obtaining the values of physical properties of other equipment by comparison methods. For example, the fundamental unit of mass in SI system is kilograms, defined as the mass of cubic decimeter of water at its temperature of maximum density of 4 degrees centigrade. This unit of mass is represented by a material standard, the mass of the international prototype kilogram consisting of platinum iridium hollow cylinder. This unit is preserved at the International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Severus near Paris and is material representation of kilogram. So whenever a new weight of 1 kilogram is to be produced, then it is compared with this standard. This explains need of standards. To ensure that testing equipment stays within the acceptable range of accuracy, standards are required. It is a point of reference to which the testing equipment refers. Without standards, the chances of incorrect results increases. Standards are very useful for calibration of measuring instruments. Standards thus help in minimizing the errors in measurement system. Next is type of standards. The standards of measurement are classified by their function and application and accuracy in the following categories. First is international standards, primary standards or absolute standards, secondary standards, and working standards. Let us see in detail one by one. First one, international standards. International standards are defined on the basis of international agreement. They represent the units of measurements which are closest to the possible accuracy attainable. These are regularly checked and evaluated against absolute measurements in terms of fundamental units. International standards are maintained at the International Bureau of Weights and Measures and are not available to ordinary user of measuring instruments for the purpose of calibration and comparison. Second one, primary standard. Primary standards are absolute standards of such a high accuracy that they can be used as a ultimate reference standards. These standards are maintained by national laboratories in different parts of worlds. Primary standards are independently calibrated by absolute measurements at each of the national laboratories. The results are then compared against each other, leading to world average figure for the primary standards. Primary standards are not available for use outside the national laboratories. One of the main functions of this standard is the verification and calibration of secondary standards. They are few in number and they have highest possible accuracy. They must have highest stability, that is, their value should vary as small as possible over long periods of time, even if there are environmental and other changes. Next one is secondary standards. These are basic reference standards used in industrial measurement laboratories. These industries maintain and calibrate these standards. These standards are checked locally against reference standards available in the area. Secondary standards are normally sent periodically to National Standards Laboratory for calibration and comparison against primary standards. The national laboratory then sends secondary standard back to industry with a certification as a regards their measured values in terms of primary standards. Then last one is working standards. These are major tools of measurement laboratory. These standards are used to check and calibrate general laboratory instruments for their accuracy and performance. For example, a manufacturer of precision resistances may use a standard resistance, which may be a working standard, in a quality control department for checking the values of resistors that are being manufactured. This way, he verifies that his measurement setup performs within the limits of accuracy that are specified. So, today we have learned measurement, significance and need of measurement, different units used in measurement, fundamental and electrical quantities, and standards used in the measurement.